So not a great start to this race. There's been a crash
Linda 09.
at the front. The guy on pole crashed.
Not right.
And I went by. And now people are trying to get back into position. So not quite sure what's going on. I don't know if I'm in the right place. Pass car 3. I've got to pass.
Asking some of these guys not to wreck is asking a baby.
Pass car 3. Okay, there we go. Stay behind the 16 car. My goodness.
100% agree with you.
So it doesn't bode well.
We're going to wreck.
I think I'm the only UK driver in this field. It's all Americans. So I'm guessing it's 9 o'clock PM UK time, so 5 PM on the East Coast, maybe in the US, something like that. Maybe 4 PM. So, plenty of people racing anyway. NASCAR Talladega Super Speedway. I've not had a lot of luck with these. Whether I'll have any luck this time around, I don't know. Need to start in second, I think. About to go green. Start's not that important. I just don't want to lose the train. So we'll see. Pace car's in.
Car is off. Be ready.
I'm ready. Let's hope the leader doesn't crash again. It was not a good start.
Green, green, green.
Okay, here we go then. We're off.
Inside. Stay high. There's a car on the low side.
Okay. Stay up high then.
Still inside.
Gosh.
Clear inside.
I think I'll get down low. And that's it. And let's see what happens then for the next 11 laps. Or 15 laps it says actually. Oh, I thought it was 11, but maybe I'm wrong. We'll see what happens. I don't know if there's like yellows and cautions and stuff, or whether we just keep on racing. But there's a lot of movement going on at the front. I don't know why people just can't keep a straight line. It seems really odd to me. That guy's got lots of sparks coming off the bottom of his car. I don't know what that's about.
Wrecking on the front.
Okay.
Uncle Robbie.
Outside.
Oh, we got through.
Wrecking on the front.
We got through.
Can't even make it
Outside if you
a
want
fucking flag.
Oh dear. Right. Have we kept with those ahead?
3.8.
I don't know that we have. Might have lost the slipstream. Yeah, I think we've lost it. We've lost the draft. That is always the problem. I'm on my own. So I've got a car behind.
Just trying to give you a little room down there. That's why I got in the grass.
Oh dear. Well, they're just driving away, aren't they now?
Anyone wants to jump out? Second line. I'll follow.
Okay, well, maybe there'll be some more problems. So there's a car behind climbing up, so I'll work with him. Derek, when he gets here, and we'll try and bridge the gap if we can. You can see how quickly the gap opens up, can't you? So he's closing anyway. And we'll just go as quick as we can and see if we can do anything about this gap.
53.78.
So I think we probably need to be in the nearly 51s, I should think, or 50s, yeah. So is he going to stick with us? We're going a bit quicker. We've got a couple more cars coming as well, so maybe we'll have a little train. Definitely going faster. They've got a back marker. So we've got a nice little group here. I'll stick at the front of it if I can. And see if we can make any gains. Right, we're all coming by, aren't they? So
Outside.
I won't be staying at the front of it.
Stay low. There is a car on the high side. Still there.
Okay.
The car in P2. Just set the fastest lap. 50.582. Outside clear. Car outside. 52.427. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
Okay.
That car is a lap
Well, I need to
down.
keep with these guys, don't I? I think I'm with them now. Yeah. There we go. Look at that. Let's just keep with them then and see if we can bridge this gap without more crashes. So we're 10th now. There's lot of sparks coming off them, aren't there? I don't know why. Yeah, they're a fair bit ahead, aren't they, that group?
51.393.
I don't know why people can't just keep straight.
What the hell, dude? God damn, get stuck.
Oh, somebody's off. Okay. That's one of them then. Now we've got this lapped traffic. Going to go by. I think he'll stick onto the back of us, won't he? I imagine.
Car outside. Clear up top.
So are we going to bridge this gap? There's more of us than there are the group ahead, so I wonder if that means we'll go a bit quicker. We're a third of the way through already, look how quickly it goes.
3, 4. That was your fastest lap of the session.
So there's 5 of us and 4 of them, I think. I read somewhere that 7 is the optimum number. Don't know if that's true or not. If anyone knows. I don't know a lot about NASCAR or ovals, but I do like. I think I'd love to go and see one in real life. It must be an amazing experience. The noise and the speed. It's certainly a lot harder than it looks. Completely different discipline.
50.575. The car.
So we're going slower than the leader, aren't we?
Fastest lap. 50.5.
Yeah, they're going a little bit quicker than us.
16.
They're going a little bit quicker. We're easing off a bit as well. This is a bigger group with them now. Then they must have some damaged cars with them as well, or some back markers. Come out the pits.
50.929.
Sort of sweeping up some other cars, aren't they? Oh, wrecking. Something's happened. What's happened there then? Is that the leaders? Gosh, we're stretching out a bit here. What's happening? How am I losing them? Got to be so careful. It is so easy to lose that slipstream. The draft. Let's take a quick lap if I can.
50.132. You've got the fastest lap.
There we go. Take the fastest lap. Doesn't do me a lot of good, but we're all going a bit quicker, aren't we? For some reason. Whether we're all working together a bit better. Feel like we're all very close though. So 5 laps to go by the looks of it after this one. I don't think we're catching them.
Trying to push the 2 to the front.
I don't think we're going to catch this group.
50.477. Car 2 is now leading.
Could be wrong. Really getting up to 200 miles an hour, yeah?
I'll push DQ if you want to jump out.
Are we closing? What do you reckon?
.284.
Can't tell. I don't think we are. Yeah, I'd like to move up, but I do need to concentrate. I think we are catching a little bit here. We could have a big group by the end. We're all working together
50.5
until we stop working together, and then it all falls apart. And then it's how do you get to the front of the group? This is what I'm not good at. Playing that game of chess. Looks like we dropped back a bit. Yeah, we're going slower. What's going on then? We're going a lot slower.
51.351.
Yeah. What's going on then? We're visibly further back. I'll try and leapfrog. Could it even be possible?
Inside.
No.
Still there. Clear. You've got 2 laps to go.
2 laps to go. What's happening then? This is it. This is the serious bit.
859.
I reckon there'll be a wreck.
Wrecking in turn 2.
I think there'll be a wreck in the group ahead. Oh,
Low car
yeah.
up high. Go low. Go high.
There was.
That car is a lap down.
Leave that
Inside.
car to the fucking past me, right?
Clear.
So that's one wreck. Will there be another one? Is there time for another one? And how do I make sure I get to the front of this group? Can I get to the front of this group? This is it, last lap.
White flag. Stay smooth.
Okay.
50.
Need a run up, don't I, really?
Go high.
Okay.
99. He's up the front.
Getting tired of this shit every fucking week.
Car inside. Still there.
It's not working, is it?
Stay high. There's a car on the low side.
It's not working.
29,
Clear.
you learn how to fucking drive.
No, it's not working. That's it. That's all I can do. There must be a technique, and I haven't got it. But we finished. Better than we have done.
Wrecking on the front stretch.
Wow. So this is the start. We got going, and even before we'd sort of got going into the warm-up lap, the pole man's crashed, look, and hit the wall. It's like, well, what are you doing, mate? So yeah, not a good start. Anyway, what happened then? So this is coming round the think the green flag had gone, hadn't it? Oh, right, okay, so he's going. I'm there. We're just all trying to get back into our positions. That's what it was. So there were crashes. I mean, there's crashes before we've even got going. Look, this guy, what's this guy doing? Just bashing into the back of people. Okay, right. We're actually now going in the race. Oh, yeah, I mean, why? Why'd you do that? That's not going to work. Oh, dear. Took a load of people out as well. Oh, odd luck. Oh, nasty. Oh, bloody hell. You want to be in the pace car, do you? Nowhere safe. Christ. This is the lead group again, I think. Oh, pit maneuver. Nasty. Oh, nasty. Yeah, not good. Now what's happening? Well, he's just come down too quick, isn't he? That was 29's fault there. He just tried to come down too quick. Yeah, well, he paid the price there, didn't he? Bloody hell. And then, is this the lead group again? Looks like it. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, he got into the lead. Nice move. And then what have we got? And this must be the end, is it? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, well, interesting. Let's have a look at the results. Okay, so that was second out of 3 splits. It wasn't ranked, so I didn't get any safety or anything like that. Not sure why it wasn't ranked, but you can see everyone. United States iRacing. I don't know why. Maybe it's a Russian driver and he's got an iRacing flag. Not sure, but yeah, all United States. I got the fastest lap of the race, so I'll take that anyway. Yeah, good fun. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.